That's great.
I don't think they're friends. I mean, I don't know.
Give me a second. Never had a hard time. Probably down by the fountain, I'm assuming. Right now, fields on the other side of the fountain. There's a really open space to do stuff now.
Put this in the show.
But she did the garden. I was going to think I was going to wait on the soap.
Last time, let's see if I can watch it. Like, oh my goodness.
It's really good. Sit in there and stuff.
Oh, yeah, it's great.
Just Moses. Grab one.
Oh, like it's now warmer.
See, your husband grabbed it. Her husband grabbed it. That was super ridiculous. Come on. I was keeping from running over the dog. We can hold it. Yeah. Honestly, it gets better as you get towards the end. I think that's on purpose. That, you know, you pick those spots down here where it normally started, and everybody's gonna walk through this stuff to get to it. I mean, but it's here. It's just his colors. And then it won't come in muddy one day and you won't love it. That's hilarious.
Yeah, and you start eating stupid crap, so you have to spit up 10 differences. Make sure it's just
right. Big house here. It's green light. Make it ready. You can beat the house. Speed it up. Together again. Sorry.
No, did I take a walk in the city? I don't know. My distance. No, I had
I was
to.
laughing there. Just speed up on the right. Like, right now, there's a big thing there.
I don't think I would have put them down anywhere. Other than on the car. No, that's what I'm saying. They got to be on the side. That's the only distance questions I have. Well, it's gotten better. See, that's what I'm saying. No, see, I see fine. But the thing is, the real distance, I have my reading glasses.
Who knows?
I think I took them off because I was looking at something on my phone in the car. It's on the seat.
We have some unique I'm not sure what he's doing. I almost stuck his camera in his butt 3 times.
A lot of people say,
Well, I'm not trying to shut out because I know I'm going slow, but the camera's almost put in his butt 3 times already.
I know, that's why
I'm keeping my distance. Keeping my distance. It's not real bright. Coming up behind you, sir. Don't step back. Don't step back. Thank you. Oblivious. Now, I'm looking for someone on my left to be like frozen ice cream bars faked and standing up. There they are. That's what I need. Right up the side. No, that's not it. Here it is. It's just a lady there. It's the one with the popsicles, it says. So I want to cut across that line right there. Right here. Yes. Just parked on the side. Do you have to have the chocolate and coconut today?
Not chocolate and coconut. I have coconut or I have chocolate.
Which do you like better?
Coconut.
There we go. You got him, right?
Coconut is my favorite.
Last time I was here, I said, I like both. What do you got? He said, I have both.
Yeah, I know, huh?
That was pretty good, too.
Now you know the deal. It's
Yes,
real
ma'am.
cold.
Yes, holding on to it for a hot minute.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right, thank you, honey.
See, look how cold. So you get, we can get this one, just go slow. No, I can't eat it yet. You put it in your mouth and break your teeth. It's been on dry ice. I mean, you can if you want, but that's why we're stuck to it. And it ain't gonna taste like nothing yet. That's why I was like, oh man, these are great down here. You gotta let them warm up a little. Oh, done. Yeah, we're not missing much there because it spreads out and everything. So I was like, oh, just take sidewalk up here, shoot. It's hard to get that started. Oh yeah. Right. One of them there. All right, also. down them, won't think we're crazy.
No, there's the whole dog event thing. You just keep going this way, and there's like the open lawn, and you'll see all the tents for rescues and the news on
Oh, okay.
Thank
So we're allowed to enter, right? It said pet at the time. We'll go find out.
I think we should do it.
Costumes over here.
Ready?
Thank you. Let's make sure I don't hit her stuff. All good. All good.
7 more minutes, folks, for the doggy fashion show. 7 more minutes. Come take your seats for the best show that you're going to see today.
Registration?
I guess we did because it was still 10:45.
It's 10:23.
Yeah, well, they're starting a half hour early. Well, we're still going to look at the dogs and enjoy ourselves and come again.
Well, let's see if we can still enter it.
Huh?
Let's see if we can still enter it.
I know. I'm getting to come downstairs anyway. That's all. My elbow is ready. Just keep going.
Show's starting in 5 minutes, folks. Seats are starting to fill up. First come, first serve on all these seats. Grab a great seat here to watch this great show. Watch these dogs that need homes.
Oh, that's what this
Wonderful
is.
show for you.
This is not the costume contest. This is to show off the rescue dogs. Now I get it. There's one. I can't. You said what? You good?
Ryan,
He's talking to me, standing up.
freaking out a little bit.
Okay.
He's backing out there. Put this back up over a little bit.
Okay.
He's good.
Hey, I know this is the guy I thought was at the bike valet right up here on the left, baby. Hi, buddy. What you know? You'll be a repeat character on these things, I tell you what.
What's up?
What's happening? Coming for the costume contest.
Oh my gosh. It's a dog show, not a cat show.
It's a
It's
pet.
Oh, pet. This
So I got his business kitty collar and tie.
Look at
We got his laptop.
Look at Brody. Brody's an artist now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice. All right, we're gonna get him registered. See if they'll do it. We'll find out. Either way, he likes dogs.
No, but what, do you have a dog? Get a cat, okay? I don't think, I'm not sure any of these guys do cat treats. What do you do with a cat?
Yeah, he won't eat while he's out. We
No,
tried.
because on the website it said, you know, dress your pet up, there's new prizes and stuff like that.
From what I understand, and I'm a little out of the
Yeah?
it was just the rescue.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
There's, cool. Yeah, we read a thing that said a pet